Hello everyone, welcome to Plant Material Group 5. As you can see, I've got the sheet there, so go ahead and download it from Blackboard. We are here in the horticulture area, and we're going to look at plants 1 through 4, which is right outside of the classroom doors. Plant number 1 is your Anthony Water Spirea. It is directly right here. Plant number 1, Spirea X Bamalda, Anthony Water Spirea. Plant number 2 is Spirea japonica Gold Mound or Gold Mound Spirea, and it is right here. Plant number 3 is your Spirea nipponica Snow Mound, and it is directly right behind the Gold Mound. And last but not least is your Spirea X Van Hootii, your Van Hoot Spirea, and it is the taller one of the Spireas. Now, you've also got a Gardenia there in the middle, which we saw some in the previous weeks. But plants 1 through 4 are right outside of horticulture area. All of your Spireas. It's nice to have these plants together in a grouping. That way you can come out and see each leaf. You can see each flower when they are blooming. There are some remnants of the flowers on each one of them. You may have to find it deep in there on the Van Hootii, but the other 3 you can see remnants of the flower. So let's go ahead and move on to the 2 dogwood trees that we have and the 2 hydrangeas. All right, we're still on main campus and we're looking at plant number 5. It is your Cornus Coosa or your Coosa dogwood, and it's right here in front of me. Now I want you to pay close attention to the bark of this tree and compare it to plant number 8, your Cornus Floridia. Now I know you've seen this tree, both of them, both dogwoods, in the spring semester, but I wanted to revisit them here in the fall for a particular reason. You're going to see all this fruit here on the ground from the Coosa dogwood. That is one way to identify it. That is a edible fruit. People actually make jams and jellies and stuff out of it. But I want to get you a real close look at your Cornus Coosa, your Coosa dogwood, plant number 5. All right, students, we are down in the Heart's Garden, just beyond Hoosier Hall. So if you come down the main concrete steps here, you're going to see plant number 6, which is your Hydrangea Macrophylla. This is another big leaf hydrangea. Now remember, we've seen one at Tanglewood, so don't confuse the 2, but they are both considered big leaf hydrangeas. This is the importance of knowing the botanical names, because a lot of plants may have the same common name. But notice the big leaf, the big flower. So some really nice hydrangeas here. Now plant number 7 is your Hydrangea quercifolia, your oak leaf hydrangea, and it is right there just before the bridge here. But look at the leaf. Resembles an oak leaf, and look at the difference in the bloom or the flower. Plant number 7, your Hydrangea quercifolia, oak leaf hydrangea, and plant number 6, Hydrangea Macrophylla, big leaf hydrangea, down in the Heart's Garden main campus. All right, class, we're just outside the Strickland Center in the very front for plant number 8. This is your Cornus Floridia, your flowering dogwood. Notice the different fruit that it bears from the Coosa dogwood, and also pay close attention to the difference in bark. Horticulturalists term this type of bark like alligator skin. It's got the ridges and the crevices like on the back of an alligator. This is your Cornus Floridia flowering dogwood. This is a large specimen here on main campus. We're lucky to have a dogwood so big. And look at the red fruit. Birds are going to love it. Right outside the Strickland Center.